In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Udemy Support quickly and easily. If you're facing issues with the course, payments, or anything related to your account, this guide will help you get real-time assistance in just a few simple steps. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head to the search bar and type Udemy. When the official Udemy website appears in the results, click on it to go straight to the home page. After landing on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you will find several helpful links, and the one you're looking for is Help and Support. Go ahead and click on it. You will now be taken to Udemy Support Center. At the top of this page, you'll see a section titled How May We Help You, along with a search bar. This is where you can type in a brief description of your issue. Be as clear as possible so Udemy can offer the most relevant help articles. Check the suggestions that appear. Sometimes the answer is right there. If none of the articles solve your problem, don't worry. Look to the right side of the page where you'll see an option labeled Contact Us. Click on it, and this is where things get even easier. The moment you click Contact Us, a chat window will pop up at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your direct link to Udemy's support team. You may start with a chatbot, but depending on your issue, it can connect you to a live support representative. Simply type your message, explain what you need help with, and the support team will guide you step by step, and that's it. You now know exactly how to start a live chat with Udemy Support whenever you need quick help. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more easy step-by-step solutions.